Hi. Here are 3 reasons why it's so important to hire a trial lawyer to handle your case. Number 1, the insurance company respects a trial lawyer, and they know that if there's a trial lawyer on the case, they will put more value and more money on that case as opposed to a case without a trial lawyer, because they don't respect lawyers that can't go to trial. And the insurance companies keep tabs on law firms as well as individual lawyers, and they know which lawyers go to trial, select juries, and proceed to verdict, and which lawyers always settle. Number 2, having a trial lawyer is going to get you the most money for your case because you have that ultimate hammer, that threat that if they don't pay you what you're demanding, you can go to trial and you can get it from a jury. So that's going to make the offer go way up. And number 3, the reason that you should hire a trial lawyer is because a trial lawyer could do the whole case, right? Holistically, they could do the case from A to Z, from client intake all the way to verdict, final jury verdict. And even sometimes some trial lawyers do their own appeals if an appeal is needed, or they could work with an appellate lawyer if an appeal is needed. But that's very important that they could try the case, because ultimately, if a lawyer is only doing pre-litigation, or even if they can do litigation like depositions, but they don't go to trial, they can't really handle the whole case. And then the insurance companies, of course, know that. But more importantly, if you as a client are hiring an attorney, you want them to be able to do everything, right? Like if you were to hire a doctor and the doctor is treating a certain condition and the condition needed surgery, but the doctor just isn't able to do the surgery and there's no one else, that's going to be a major problem. Or even if you take an example like at a restaurant, if you show up to a restaurant and you order a certain dish, but the people behind the kitchen, behind the counter, they have the ingredients, they have like the raw salmon and they have maybe the vegetables, but they don't know how to cook it together. They don't know how to present it. They don't know how to plate it. They don't have the person to bring it out to you. They can't do the whole thing that's necessary. But the trial lawyer is the only person that can do everything that's necessary from a client's perspective, because a client, when they hire an attorney, they want that case resolved, right? Whether it's through settlement, whether it's through trial, whether you have an appeal, you don't have an appeal, they want their case resolved. And the only person who can do everything, all the moving parts, is the trial lawyer. So that's why it's very important to ask and make sure that you have a trial lawyer handling your case. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.